Hello, kids. Have you ever heard of the festival called Navratri? It's a festival full of fun, dancing, colors, and most importantly, devotion to Goddess Durga. For 9 days, we celebrate 9 different forms of Goddess Durga, each one teaching us something special. Ready to explore this exciting journey? Let's go! Day 1. Pratiptab Goddess Shalputri, color, yellow. On the very first day of Navratri, we celebrate Goddess Shalputri. She is the daughter of the mountains and represents strength, just like a strong mountain that stands tall no matter what. The color of this day is yellow, which brings happiness, like the sunshine. So on this day, we pray for strength in our lives and to start the festival with joy. And don't forget to wear something yellow. Can you imagine being as strong as a mountain? That's what Shalputri teaches us. Day 2. Dvitiya Goddess Brahmacharini, color, green. On the second day, we honor Goddess Brahmacharini, who represents patience and peace. Do you know what Brahmacharini did? She meditated for a long time to get wisdom. This teaches us the value of being patient and calm in difficult times. The color for this day is green, just like trees that grow slowly but steadily. So, on this day, think of how important it is to be patient, just like Brahmacharini. Imagine sitting still like a tree in a garden. Brahmacharini shows us how peaceful that can be. Day 3. Tritiya Goddess Chandraghanta, color, grey. The third day is dedicated to Goddess Chandraghanta. Have you ever heard of a warrior goddess? That's Chandraghanta. She carries a bell-shaped moon on her forehead and fights evil with bravery and courage. The color grey represents her calm yet fierce nature. Even though she's strong, she uses her power only when needed, showing us how to balance strength and kindness. Think of a superhero. Chandraghanta is like a superhero who only uses her powers for good. Day 4. Chaturthi Goddess Kushmanda, color, orange. On the fourth day, we celebrate Goddess Kushmanda. She has a very special power. She can create the universe just by smiling. Isn't that magical? Her name means cosmic egg, and she fills the world with warmth, light, and happiness, just like the sun. That's why the color for this day is orange, the color of the bright and shining sun. This day reminds us to bring light and joy to others through our actions. Can you imagine creating the whole universe with just a smile? That's the magic of Kushmanda. Day 5. Panchami Goddess Skandmata, color, white. Day 5 is all about Goddess Skandmata, the mother of Skanda, who is a great warrior. But Skandmata is more than just a mother, she's a protector. She teaches us how powerful love and care can be. The color of this day is white, symbolizing purity and peace. On this day, we learn to care for others and protect them with love, just like Skandmata protects her children. Think of how your mom takes care of you when you are not feeling well. Skandmata is like the supermom of the universe. Day 6. Shashti Goddess Katyayani, color, red. On the sixth day, we honor Goddess Katyayani. She is strong and full of energy, always ready to defeat evil. The color red is chosen for this day because it represents power and strength. Katyayani teaches us to face challenges bravely, without being afraid. Whether it's a difficult task at school or a problem with a friend, we can be like Katyayani and face it head-on. Have you ever felt like you can conquer anything? That's Katyayani's power in you. Day 7. Saptami is Goddess Kalratri, color, royal blue. The seventh day is dedicated to Goddess Kalratri, who looks fierce but brings peace. She's like the night sky, dark and deep, but full of stars. Kalratri removes all the darkness from the world, meaning she helps us get rid of fears and worries. The color royal blue stands for her powerful energy. This day reminds us that even when things look tough, we can find peace by facing our fears. It's like being brave in the dark. Kalratri shows us how to light up even the darkest moments. Day 8, Ashtami, Goddess Mahagauri, color pink. On the 8th day, Goddess Mahagauri is celebrated. She is calm and beautiful, and her name means the Great White Goddess. She brings beauty and removes all our troubles. The color pink represents love and kindness, and it's a day to remember how important it is to be kind to everyone around us. Think of how a gentle breeze feels on a hot day. That's the peace and calm Mahagauri brings. Day 9, Navami, Goddess Siddhidatri, color purple. On the 9th and final day, we worship Goddess Siddhidatri, who grants wisdom and success to everyone. She is the one who gives us all the knowledge we need to grow and succeed in life. The color for this day is purple, which stands for wisdom and ambition. It's a perfect way to end Navratri by thinking about all the things we want to learn and achieve. Wow! Each day of Navratri is so special, with different lessons for us to learn, from being strong and brave to being kind and peaceful. It's a festival full of fun, prayers, and colors. So, this Navratri, remember to celebrate each day with joy, and let the blessings of Goddess Durga fill your life with happiness. Wait, kids! There's one more special day after the 9 days of Navratri. Do you know what it's called? It's Vijayadashami, also known as Dashehra. It's the 10th day and it has a very important meaning. Let's find out what makes this day so special. Day 10, Vijayadashami. On the 10th day of Navratri, we celebrate Vijayadashami, which means the day of victory. It marks the victory of good over evil. Long ago, there was a demon king named Ravana, who was very powerful and thought he could never be defeated. But Lord Rama, with the help of his brother Lakshmana, the brave Hanuman, and an army of animals, defeated Ravana and saved his wife, Sita. Vijayadashami is also the day when Goddess Durga defeated the powerful demon Mahishasura. It shows us that no matter how strong evil seems, goodness will always win in the end. Happy Navratri, kids! May these special days bring you joy, strength, and love.